Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back if you've been here before, and if you haven't, my channel is Meg Z Beauty. I do hair and makeup tutorials. So today I'm actually not going to be doing a tutorial. I'm going to be doing more of explaining. This is my hair care routine. I'm not actually going to be doing my hair care routine because it's more of just explaining, showing products, and kind of saying why I do it, how I do it, and the trial and error of how I got to my hair care routine. I believe taking care of your hair is really super important, and it's a thing that a lot of people neglect. It's kind of like, oh yeah, I'll just get my hair trimmed every 4 months or whatever you do and it's gonna be okay. But I've noticed, especially ever since I started getting my hair dyed, the importance of keeping care of your hair, and I wish I would have done it even when I wasn't getting my hair dyed because I think it's still just as important, and I swear my hair is healthier now than it ever was, even though it's literally like blonde and brown and a whole bunch of different colors, you know what I mean? It's still much healthier because I've been taking good care of it. So if you're curious of what I do to take care of it, keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna be showing some products and doing some explaining. I have very specific things in my head I want to explain, and then I think I'm gonna go over my products. So first things first, taking care of your hair when you put heat on it is obviously a big one. You have to spray something on your hair before you put heat on it. You need to do something to your hair before you put heat on it. You guys know if you've watched my channel before, I use It's a 10. I'm actually gonna read this time all 10 things it does for your hair because I never actually have on my channel, but I believe the hair care routine deal will be a good idea to do this. So it literally lists all 10 things on the back that it does for you. It repairs dry, damaged hair, adds shine, detangles, controls frizz, seals and protects hair color, prevents split ends, stops hair breakage, creates silkiness, enhances natural body, and flat iron spray and thermal protection. So like just reading that, I'm like, why wouldn't you buy it? Like literally, this stuff is crazy. I'm not kidding. It does leave shine in your hair. It takes out dry frizziness, detangles. It does all that stuff. Like I probably could have told you all those 10 things without even reading them off this bottle because I've literally sworn by this since I was like 13, 14 years old. I love this stuff. So hair care routine, if you're not sure of a heat protectant, or maybe your hair is super frizzy, or even staticky, if you have static problems with your hair, this is another great product to use. So yes, it's a 10, it's a 10, it's a 10. My next part is going to be about washing your hair. This is something that I have dramatically changed in my life recently, and it's because of my hairdresser. My hairdresser, whenever I first got my hair dyed, she was like, okay, so how often do you wash your hair? And I was like, every day. Like, I can't go a day without washing my hair. It gets greasy, it gets gross. And so she's pretty much told me, she's like, the next time you come in here, I want you to be washing your hair at least every other day. She's like, you can't wash your hair every other day. It takes out too much of the good oils in your hair that's helped keep you strong. She's like, believe me, you'll notice a difference. And at first I'm just like, I don't want to do this. I feel dirty, blah, blah, blah. So I got some dry shampoo whenever she told me to do this. I've been using the Dove Refresh Plus Care Volume and Fullness Dry Shampoo. I think every dry shampoo is pretty much the same though. You can use any dry shampoo you want. And so I did. I got to it. I was washing my hair every other day, you know, and I went back in the next time. She's like, so are you washing your hair every other day? And I was like, yes, I am. Are you so proud of me? And she's like, no, I'm not quite proud of you yet. She's like, because I'm going to even push you farther, and I want you to just pretty much wash your hair, like go as long as you physically possibly can without washing your hair. And she explained to me, this is literally a training process for your hair. You pretty much have to train your hair not to wash it, because your hair is gonna get greasy if it like is used to being washed over and over and over again. It's gonna get greasier faster. So the longer you wait to wash your hair, the longer it's gonna take eventually for your hair to not get greasy. So I struggled with this a lot, but my hairdresser was like, I legitimately wash my hair 1 to 2 times a week. And she's like, and that's what you should be doing too. So I was like, I believe you, you know what I mean? This seems disgusting almost, you know, I'm still gonna shower every day, but I finally am there, and I finally only wash my hair 1 to 2 times a week. Thankfully, because of dry shampoo, I would not be able to do that without dry shampoo, but my hair is dramatically different ever since I started washing my hair 2 times a week. So I know it almost sounds gross that I only wash my hair 2 times a week, but after I wash my hair feels so soft. Like before, whenever I would wash my hair, it would pretty much feel the same after, like if I conditioned it, maybe a little bit softer, but the next day it was still like that rough feeling. My hair has never been so naturally soft, and I've even noticed that my natural hair is like wearable again, because before it would be so frizzy and dry, but now that I only wash it 1 to 2 times a week, it has actual like hydration and oils in it, so I'm able to wear my natural hair now, which is completely insane to me. Right now, my hair that I have on right now, I haven't washed my hair in 3 days. Like, obviously I'm not a scruff, you know, I'm not greasy at all, but I did put dry shampoo in my hair before I did it, of course. Again, it's a training process, you know, you can't just go from washing your hair every day to washing it twice a week. You know, start every other day, maybe every 3rd day, I don't know. But whatever you guys are feeling, I would definitely try to get off washing your hair every single day of your life, because it's actually killing it. You're killing your hair like that. Okay, so now I'm going to go into what I wash my hair with. As I said, I wash my hair twice a week, and I use 2 different shampoos and conditioners when I wash it. So one time I'll use Tresemme shampoo and conditioner. So these are both touchable softness shampoo and conditioner. Sometimes I get the dry and damaged shampoo and conditioner, but I always get it from Tresemme, because Tresemme is like a trusted brand. You know what I mean? It's been around for a long time. It's not crazy expensive. Like, it's almost like Morphe. It's like borderline high-end, borderline drugstore kind of product. So I think Tresemme is an awesome brand. I've always used their shampoos and conditioners. I've tried other ones like Herbal Essence and Dove and Suave, but they've never actually made my hair feel good like Tresemme does. So I'll use this once a week, and then I use the Matrix Total Results Brass Off once a week. So in the directions, you can use this twice a week if you want to, but since I only wash my hair twice a week anyways, I kind of try to go back and forth between these 2. What this does actually, so this isn't really relevant if you don't get your hair dyed and stuff like that, but Brass Off makes my hair more blonde. So pretty much whenever I wash my hair with this, my hair is like super blonde whenever I get out of the shower. It takes away any of the brassiness. Whenever my hair starts to fade, I'll start using this like 2-3 times a week sometimes, and like it'll take away the fade from my hair. It keeps my hair literally like bleach blonde. It's amazing. And I know like the Total Results, they also have, if your hair's not blonde, they have stuff for like color to stay in. It's not Brass Off, it's like color stay, I believe. The Total Results has a lot of different shampoos and conditioners for colored hair, and this stuff works. Like, at first I thought it was a gimmick whenever my hairdresser tried selling it to me. She's like, yeah, it keeps your hair blonde, and I'm just like, I don't know about that, but I was like, I'm gonna try it, see if it works, and I was literally amazed. And I actually had my mom use it too. She goes to a different hairdresser than me, and my mom is now obsessed with this stuff too, because she has a lot of those orangey tones in her hair, and this completely took out those orange tones. This isn't really hair care though, but it's taking care of my blonde hair. Taking care of the color in your hair is really important, because if you're paying money to get it dyed, you want to keep it in there as long as you physically possibly can. Like, everybody knows the frustration of getting their hair dyed and you feeling like the next week you don't really like it because it's all faded. So this is a really awesome product to keep blonde color in your hair and to keep that orangey tones out of it. As I said though, they do have other color products total results that are very, very, very good as well. And the last thing I have to talk about, and sadly I didn't bring it with me because I didn't bring my travel bag, but I'll have Kibler put a picture up on the screen or something of a picture of it. I get little packets from Target all the time. I do different brands, literally. They're like $2 and they're a hair cap treatment. And it's pretty much you put a hair cap treatment on instead of doing a conditioner. And it's like a face mask almost, but for your hair. It's called a hair mask, that's what it is. So you can buy like $2 hair masks. And as I said, I get them from all different kinds of brands because I think switching up the brands is really important because it kind of gives your hair like a new, fresh like shock, and it really, really softens it up. But yeah, you can find those floating around in Walmart, CVS, like hair, what did I just say it was? Hair mask treatments are like a life changer. I do them at least once a week. But I do them whenever I use this shampoo and conditioner, not this shampoo and conditioner, because technically, as I said, you're only supposed to use this once or twice a week. So I can't imagine this being that amazing for your hair. So I feel like whenever I do it with my Tresemme stuff, it just goes smoother and it's not as harsh on my hair. And so yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, other than one other thing of putting your hair in ponytails, buns, and braids. I have to have my hair up almost every single day for work, which has been a struggle for me because I know from past experience, having your hair in a bun and ponytail all the time causes damage. Simple as that. Big advice, if you have to have your hair in a ponytail or bun, keep the ponytail as loose as you physically possibly can, and do not sleep with your hair in anything. Like, don't sleep with your hair in a bun, don't sleep with it in a ponytail. If you feel like it's in your face, just like push it back, maybe put like a very loose headband in, like one of those soft headbands, but don't pull your hair up when you sleep because it causes, whenever your hair is pulled up in your sleep, wherever that ponytail is, your hair is breaking. Like, no matter what. Like, that's especially another good reason why you don't want to pull it too tight whenever you're pulling your hair up. So yes, those are all pretty much the rules I follow by for my hair. Biggest, most important thing is the washing hair thing that I talked about at the beginning. Try very hard not to wash your hair every single day. Train it to be not greasy, and buy yourself some dry shampoo if you don't have it already because it's a life changer. I'm serious. Now that I only wash my hair twice a week, I feel like I have a new head of hair and I feel like my hair is growing more, and it's literally just a life changer. So I know this was a little bit of a shorter video, guys, for this week, but this was a requested video and I wanted to get it out for you guys and that specific person as well. And I hope you enjoyed it because even though I didn't show you anything specifically, I think this video was really, really informative and helpful. I hope all the products in it were helpful or maybe informative or something new for you to try out. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you guys next week. Thanks so much.